Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Optimizely Experimentation for Sales Uplift step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Optimizely account. Navigate to the project dashboard where you want to run your experimentation. Select Create New Experiment from the options provided. Choose the type of experiment you want to run. Generally A/B or multivariate experiments are ideal for Sales Uplift. Name your experiment clearly to reflect its purpose. Identify the key performance indicator, also known as KPI, you want to measure for Sales Uplift. Next, define your audience by setting targeting criteria. Specify the segment of users you want to include in your experiment. Once your audience is defined, proceed to configure the experiment settings. Set up the variations you want to test, ensuring each variation reflects a unique approach. For each variation, clearly outline what changes you've made to the original version. Utilize visual editors or code editors to implement changes as necessary. After setting up the variations, define your experiment goals. This could include metrics like conversion rate, average. Review your experiment setup for any inconsistencies or errors. Once verified, you can launch the experiment. Use real-time analytics to monitor the experiment as it runs. Ensure you track performance metrics closely to gauge the uplift effectively. After sufficient data is collected, analyze the results in detail. Identify which variation led to the highest sales uplift. Document your findings and insights based on the experiment's performance. Finally, make data-driven decisions on whether to implement the successful variation full-time. Repeat the experimentation process as needed to continue optimizing for sales uplift. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.